The 2010-2014 VW Tiguan key fob uses a CR2032 battery. Insert a flathead screwdriver or key fob opening tool into the seam near the key blade release. Gently pry the two halves apart, avoiding excessive force. Remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 with the positive plus side facing up towards the circuit board. Reassemble the fob halves, ensuring they snap securely. Test the functionality by pressing the buttons to confirm lock-unlock signals. A new battery typically restores full function unless reprogramming is needed. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, it might need reprogramming, which may require a VW dealer or an OBD2 tool. Dispose of the old battery at a recycling center to prevent environmental hazards. Extreme temperatures can cause premature battery drain, so consider replacing the battery more frequently in very hot or cold climates. Regular battery checks about annually can prevent lockouts. If the fob's LED doesn't flash, it's often a sign of a low battery. Always ensure the fob halves snap securely back together to protect the internal components.